If you're a stock photographer, or if you're thinking about becoming a stock photographer, it's likely there's something unique to your world that would make amazing stock content. If you work at a coffee shop, you should get some great coffee photos. If you're a contractor, you can get some killer construction shots that'll sell really well. I happen to work for one of the most creative companies in the world, Adobe. My name's Matt Hayward. I'm a contributor at Adobe Stock, and I'm also on the content team. We're going to take advantage of the amazing location, the Adobe headquarters in San Jose, California. We've flown some of the best stock photographers in the United States out to take some photos of some great models tomorrow. We're going to take a tour of the building right now, get an idea of what we're going to shoot. We want to be intentional about shooting stock, so we're going to create a plan and strategize what and where we're going to shoot. And so I want the photographers to introduce themselves.
Well, thank you. I'm Terry White. I work for Adobe as an Adobe evangelist, but I'm also a stock contributor based in Atlanta, shooting portraits.
Hi, my name is Inti St. Clair. I'm out of Austin, Texas. I am a commercial advertising, lifestyle photographer, and also stock photographer.
Hi, I'm Sean Locke. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri. I've been shooting commercial and lifestyle stock since 2004. And I can't wait to get inside and see what we got for tomorrow.
Awesome. We're so glad you're here. Let's go take a tour of the building. This is going to be awesome. Very excited about this shoot. The general theme is going to be modern workspaces, which clearly this Adobe building exemplifies. It's a pretty loose definition, so I'm really excited to see what your interpretation is with the shoot tomorrow. Let's go check out the building. We knew going into this shoot that we would have a lot of space to work with. 17 floors, unique hallways, nooks and crannies, state-of-the-art kitchens. The gym is unbelievable. The building is just massive. All right. So the Wellness Center is something I'm most excited about. Punching bags that slide down, crazy cables that you can do push-ups on. I don't know how fit our models are. We hired 9 models through an online model agency. We were looking for diversity in age, in gender, in race, nationality, and more. We wanted the photographers to have as many options to work with to provide a diverse range of images. At this point, I hadn't met the models in person. Turns out they were pretty fit. So cool, right? I mean, it's symmetrical, it's pretty, there's natural light to work with.
It's so pretty. I don't think I could work out here.
It's really beautiful.
As we're walking the building, we're getting a sense for what's going to work and what won't. It's very important for the success of a stock image that the image be believable. Does this look like a photo that was captured in an authentic moment in time, or does it look staged? It can be an advantage and a disadvantage to have this much space to work with. And so when you're in a cafeteria, for example, you need to have activity going on behind the scenes. You need cashiers, you need a full salad bar, you need people eating and conversating behind the models that you're shooting. We didn't have those resources to work with, and so we scrapped the cafeteria and moved on to a location that worked better for our needs. These are called living spaces, and so cool, modern workspaces getting the job done. So. So there you go. That'll be enough to work with?
It's going to be hard to figure out where to shoot.
How to narrow it down, that's the question.
I was thinking, you know, there could be more.
It's never enough.
One day is not enough time.
I think we could shoot here for a week straight and never hit the same place. Like, just never get the same thing. It's amazing.
Let's
Yay.
get out of here. Let's go
Looking
get some
forward
air.
to it.
Sometimes even a little planning and preparation can make all the difference in the world between a successful and profitable stock photo shoot and one that's just kind of mediocre. It's really important that you're intentional about shooting stock. I improvise all the time, don't get me wrong, but I put myself in scenarios, in locations with people that can create authentic moments that are believable and ultimately convey as successful stock. Terry, Sean, and Inti are each going to have 1.5 hours. They can pick whatever space they want to use in the building. They can use any or all of the models that are available. It's why we're taking so much time to walk the building and tour. We want to get a plan in place. We want to strategize. We want to create a shot list. It's important to maximize the time that's available. It's limited, and we want to get as many unique shots as we possibly can. It's one thing to have a beautiful, creative space and amazing, talented models to work with. But the real differentiator, it's right up here. Your style is what's going to make the difference and make your content stand out from the rest. You're going to see that Terry, Sean, and Inti, their unique styles, they're shooting in the same location, they're shooting with the same people, they're going to come up with vastly different content. And so be unique, create your own style, find your voice, and put it in the images. When you do your shoot, make sure you visit contributor.stock.adobe.com and upload your images. My name's Matt Hayward, I'm with Adobe Stock, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos.